Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change brake fluid on a Ford Ranger. Gather DOT3 or DOT4 fluid, a turkey baster or syringe, wrench set, clear hose, and a catch bottle. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and block wheels. Work one wheel at a time, start with the furthest caliper, and have a helper pump the brake pedal as you open the bleeder. Begin bleeding the brakes by attaching a clear hose to the bleeder and submerging the other end in a catch bottle. Tell your helper to press the brake pedal slowly and hold it down while you crack the bleeder nut 1/4 to half turn. Watch for bubbles, then tighten the nut before the helper releases the pedal. Repeat until fluid runs clear with no air and then move to the next wheel. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying refreshed while working on your Ford Ranger, and it fits most cup holders. I find it handy when I'm under the truck and need a sip without leaving the job. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Open the master cylinder reservoir and remove old fluid with a turkey baster before refilling with fresh DOT3 or DOT4 fluid as specified. Keep the reservoir cap off while bleeding, but never let it run dry. Tighten bleeders to specification and clean any spilled fluid from painted surfaces immediately. After bleeding all wheels, check pedal firmness and perform a cautious road test to confirm proper braking performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.